When you picture starting up a business, what are some must-haves? Supplies and employees are important, that's true, but a register is essential for selling your products. The real question is, which register should you get? A good register should have lightning-fast transaction processing, seamless inventory management, and advanced customer analytics. And Square Register can do all three. So with me today is Meaghan Brophy, one of our retail industry experts here at Fit Small Business, and she's going to review the Square Register and explain all the details that we found out about it. Shout out to Square for sharing this with us to review in person. So Meaghan, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, yeah, I'm really happy to be here.
So before we get into the tiny details of it, Meaghan, can you please tell us what Square Register is exactly?
Yeah, I'd love to. So Square Register is a touchscreen countertop point of sale system that comes with built-in payment processing and a customer-facing display. So just to give you a quick visual, this is what the register looks like. Of course, it's built to be on a countertop. It has a sizable touchscreen display and the 3-in-1 card reader and customer-facing display.
And I assume having a sizable touchscreen display is a lot more easier than trying to read tiny screen.
Oh my gosh, for sure. Especially if you're trying to look up certain products to ring in or add customer information, it's a million times easier.
Are there any other businesses that you could possibly see Square Register at?
Really any kind of brick and mortar or storefront business. Of course, retailers, coffee shops, specialty stores like gift shops, liquor stores, really anything where you're looking to track customer information or you have a lot of products or you just need something that is bigger than a smartphone, like you said.
So now that we kind of have an idea of what it is, and thank you for showing it off so we can actually see the size of it, how does it work?
So Square Register runs on Square's point of sale software and Square's merchant services. So when you take it out of the box, you're prompted to either set up your Square account or log right in. And it can run either Square's standard point of sale system, the retail specific one, the restaurant specific one, or the appointment specific point of sale. So it is pretty customizable based on your business type. Yeah, you pretty much plug it in, sign in or create your account, customize your settings, attach the customer facing display and card reader, and you're pretty much set up and running. It is honestly a lot simpler than electronic cash register, for example, or even one of your more traditional legacy point of sale systems. It's a lot easier to set up. And because it's a cloud-based point of sale system, you don't have to mess with server connections or anything like that. In terms of setup, it is about as simple as it gets for a point of sale.
So I'm sure anybody who is new to small businesses or just starting up anywhere new would really appreciate the simplicity of this.
Absolutely. That's some of the most common feedback that I hear from business owners is they can't believe how easy it is to just kind of plug in and get started. It's very intuitive, which of course is so helpful if you're a new business owner.
All right, so now we have kind of the physicality of it. What are some of its main features? Can you expand on any of those?
It is a countertop point of sale system. So one of the main things to keep in mind is it does need a consistent power source. It is a device that you keep plugged in at all times. And it does need a pretty stable internet connection. So those are definitely two things to keep in mind when thinking about your setup. It does come with, of course, the power cord, the adapter, the cord to connect the terminal and the display. And also it comes with a USB hub, so you can connect additional peripherals such as a barcode scanner, a cash drawer. You can easily just kind of plug in all of your add-ons, but keep in mind it is a hardwired connection.
I was kind of curious because you brought it up with making sure people have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Is there any backup if Wi-Fi goes down in any way?
Yeah, Square does have an offline payment processing option. So it'll store the information locally for up to 24 hours and then process those payments once you come back online. Of course, that's not an ideal situation because you want to process your payments in real time. It can set you up for chargebacks or other disputes. But worst case scenario, Square does have that little bit of coverage.
To kind of expand a little bit more about the software it runs on, what exactly is that software it does run on?
So it runs on Square's proprietary point of sale system. It has an app-like interface, so lots of tile-based smart screens. So it's very intuitive to use also. So if you're used to operating like an iPhone, it's really easy to pick up because it has a very similar look and feel as like the iOS operating system. But again, there's Square's traditional point of sale system, which is a good option for any business where you're really just looking to process payments. There is also a retail specific point of sale system that goes into more depth in terms of inventory management. There's also a restaurant specific point of sale, which has all the tools you need to take orders, even the kitchen display functionality. So all the tools you need for a food and beverage business. And then there's also an appointment based point of sale option. So if you're like a salon, a beauty business, you can manage your calendar and online bookings through the point of sale as well. So those are kind of the 4 big buckets, and then you can customize within as well.
Now the real question is, what is like the process setup like? Like, is it difficult at all? Did you encounter any problems yourself?
Normally it's very easy. To be honest, when I was trying to sign into my account today, I did have some issues. Honestly, it's probably user error. Who knows? But normally it is pretty easy. So when you get started, you can either create your account directly on the register, or if you already have a Square account or made one beforehand, you can just log in. The account creation process is pretty simple. You just list like what business type you have, your personal information, such as like your name, your business address, and set up your account. Square does offer the merchant services again, so you do get payment processing included with every account. And compared to other like point of sale systems or payment processings, it is a fairly instant approval process. You pretty much can enter your personal information and you're good to start processing payments pretty much right away. So 9 times out of 10, it's super easy. I don't know why I was having personal issues today. Again, maybe it's just me, but it is a pretty fast and smooth process most of the time.
Well, with that in mind, and also everything that we've talked about, like the software it runs on and then the simplicity of setup, like what are the reasons that you would pick from that make this a good register option?
In addition to it being easy to use, it's also very sleek looking, which, you know, if you're trying to run a professional small business, like having sleek looking hardware, like that's important. So it's easy, again, for both businesses and customers to use because of the customer facing display. You know, your shoppers can easily see their running totals. They can put in their email address for the loyalty program. There's a variety of different payment methods between the chip, the swipe, contactless payments as well. It comes with 24/7 support, which is huge for small businesses, especially if you're operating outside of like the normal 9 to 5 schedule, which is almost every small business, right? So that's really important. And it allows you to manage your whole business in just one place, because the Square software, you know, it's not just on this device. You have your dashboard where you can log in, manage your inventory, manage your online store, check reports, even manage payroll, employees. So it's really an all-in-one solution. Yeah, it's a great option for most small businesses.
That's like the pros I will put in this category, but any drawbacks that buyers should be aware of?
Yeah, there are a few. I mean, again, it must be operated on a countertop. So you need to have the space and the power supply to run it. It needs that stable internet connection again. And it is only compatible with Square Merchant Services and Square's point of sale software. So for example, if you already have a payment processor that you're happy with, you would need to switch to Square in order to use this hardware. So if that's the case, maybe you want to look into other options, but if you don't have a preferred merchant services and you know that Square is a good fit for you, it's worth looking into.
Now, here comes like the real question. I like to always ask these because it is very vital, especially, you know, for startup businesses. This could be a huge factor, but budget is a thing. So how much does the Square Register cost, and what does it come with that cost?
Absolutely. So right now the register is $7.99. If you purchase through Square, you might also be qualified for some interest-free monthly payments, which would be $39 a month. So it is definitely a larger price point, but you have that installment payment plan option, and compared to similar register options, it is actually a pretty competitive price. So with that, again, you get the full touchscreen register, the 3-in-1 card reader, customer-facing display, you get the power adapter, power cable, the USB hub for attaching all of your peripherals, and you can get an optional mounting plate if you wanted to mount your customer-facing display on your counter as well.
Thanks, Meaghan, for your expert insight today. I think your explanations really help clarify what people can expect when investing in a Square Register. So that being said, if you're ready to purchase a Square Register for your business, then click the link in the description. Or if you want to learn more about the Square Register before committing to the cost, then check out our deep dive review of it at Fit Small Business. Thank you, Meaghan, for joining us, and thank you for watching.